I live the life I deserve. Bless. Fuck a fake half, feel better at work. I mean whatever it's worth, I get whatever I'm worth. For my niggas who won't go to hell and back for me, I'ma give them heaven on earth for a hell of a check, yeah, whichever come first. Blessings on blessings on blessings. Look at my life, man, that's lessons on lessons on lessons. I treat the beat like it's a reverend. I tell the truth like I'll never forgive me. These are all my confessions, man. This wasn't luck, it was tested. I done lost all these two babies, and then that didn't Eddie, who flip like confetti. And then when you back can call you dog, that shit get petty. Don't get no dap to me, nigga. Funny thing about talking behind my back is that it just keep coming back to me, nigga. Was hard for a second, now it's back to me, nigga. You mad at me? This ain't what I want, man. This what it had to be. This is that late night working after 3, man. This is why my old girl was mad at me. This why I'm your majesty, man. The click is the tightest, the pussy the tightest, the drinks are the coldest, the future the brightest, the feet not divided, the love is divided, and I just